welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a wig review, so let's just get right into it. Also, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then there's going to be a video dedicated to strictly the eyeshadow look that I did. And if you want to know how I got these ombre pink brows, then there's going to be another separate video on that, and I believe that those videos should be up before this wig review. So probably as you're watching this video, those two videos should be up. They should. So yeah, so now let's get into the wig review. So today's wig that I'm going to be reviewing is going to be from Forcuteu, and it is a long wavy pink wig. It says it's heat resistant and it is 24 inches. I hope I said that name right, but this is the wig right here. It has bangs and it's very pretty. This is like a cosplay type of wig. This is not a wig that I personally would wear out every day or anything like that. I'm not bold like that. Like, I'll do makeup looks and stuff on my YouTube channel and for Instagram, but in person I'm really kind of like shy, and I do not like that much attention on me. Like, I do not like to be the center of attention regardless of what people think or not. That's not my business. People's opinions of you should not be any of your business, but I do not like to stick out like that in public. Of course I like to be presentable and all that, but this would be too much in person, like, no. So this wig just has what, 2 combs in it, and I'm just gonna try it on now. So of course it's gonna look crazy when you first throw it on. This wig is most definitely a shedder. There is so much hair on my thighs. Well, not so much, but so just after running my fingers through it, and this is from the brush, although this is how much has come out. It shouldn't be that much the second time around, but it's brushed out good enough for me to flat iron now. It's very cute. Like, it's very, very cute. I appreciate them for sending this to me. It's very cute. You can kind of see my wig cut through it, but there we go. So now I'm gonna flat iron it so that it can be like almost pretty much bone straight. So now we're just gonna see how heat resistant this is. I mean, that looks pretty cute. This is just for cosplay. I probably won't, I mean, I don't know what I will or will not do, but it's pretty cute. I guess that's all for this wig review, and I hope that y'all have a blessed night or a blessed day whenever you're watching this. And again, there's going to be a separate video on my eyebrows and a separate video for the eyeshadow look. So yeah, I guess I will see y'all. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I told y'all the name of the wig, where you can find it, and I don't think there's anything else. I really don't. I'm trying to think hard before I end this video for good, and then I'm like, oh, I got to say this. This is how much hair has come out so far. It still shed when I brush it. After just brushing it some more hair came out. Let me see if you can see this. Some more hair came out, but I mean, it's whatever. It's not an everyday wig, and it's not a human wig. It's a pretty good wig for synthetic, and I'm kind of impressed with these new heat resistant synthetic wigs. So again, have a blessed night, and I pray protection over you and your family, and stay close to the Lord, because we are in very, very much perilous times. And that's all I have for you tonight. I'm not that talkative today, but I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.